Quality Mitsubishi Outlander wheel spacers are good to use as long as we install them correctly. The Mitsubishi Outlander wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts between the wheel hub assembly and wheels. High-quality Mitsubishi Outlander wheel spacers can help your vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Mitsubishi Outlander wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustments, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fender, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The length of the vehicle will be fuller, giving an aggressive and track-built appearance. Installing Mitsubishi Outlander wheel spacers is a great way to fix rock offset rubbing problem. They are installed between the wheel hubs and the wheels, pushing the wheels and tires out a few millimeters. Because of the increased inner wheel clearance, you will less limit to aftermarket brakes and wheel options. These Mitsubishi Outlander wheel spacers are helpful in preventing larger rims and wider tires from rubbing against suspension components. There are performance benefits to upgrading with Mitsubishi Outlander wheel spacers. By increasing the track width, they add more stability. In general, a wider track makes for smoother rides. They also greatly enhance stability and handling. Increased stability means better rollover resistance when driving in adverse conditions, which reduces risk. What's better? By spacing the wheels out from the suspension, the Mitsubishi Outlander wheel spacers provide woody and aggressive stance. Most people will agree that their vehicle looks better when the wheel gap is reduced. BONOSS active cooling Mitsubishi Outlander wheel spacers are designed to perform well in heavy duty and any kind of 4x4 event. These Mitsubishi Outlander wheel spacers have high strength requirements. In addition, BONOSS Mitsubishi Outlander wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation rules to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pedal shape. These screws allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as actuators which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. To ensure a strong wheel spacer hub connection, BONOSS active cooling Mitsubishi Outlander wheel spacers feature ISO grade 1249 wheel studs as well as ISO grade 10 magnets. All BONOSS wheel spacer kits are delivered with authoritative SPS and TV certification reports. In addition, BONOSS active cooling Mitsubishi Outlander wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives peace of mind. Such BONOSS multi-stage Mitsubishi Outlander wheel spacers are surely a good option for your driving needs.